That's an interesting question because really, at the end of the day, I would say, you know, the modern sort of asset-backed trading, there are aspects of it that is very much anchored to like foundations of how you set up a team. And these are not necessarily, I mean, there is a whole technology aspect and all the exciting stuff, but there is also a sort of foundational aspects that anybody needs to consider. And that are the basics of it. In some ways, like when you're setting up an asset-backed trading, you really have to think hard around what problem that you're trying to solve from a overall corporate strategy. Because at the end of the day, the companies that set up asset-backed trading are not this is not their core business. Um, they're basically using this as a tangential business. Sometimes they think about it incorrectly because they kind of almost think about, okay, well, we have a core business, and then the trading operation is a revenue center alongside that. I think fundamentally, if you do that, now you might gain some value from doing asset-backed trading, but that is limited value. You have to really think hard around your overall strategy and how does asset-backed trading reinforces that strategy. So you have to kind of almost like think about this as holistically as possible. After that, I would say it would become like a question of, okay, well, how do you allocate value between asset-backed trading and your uh, core operation? So that you incentivize people to act the right way in terms of generating value. So there are aspects of that are kind of foundational, but then after that comes the issue of skill set. And one of the other challenges that we have kind of seen is that people uh, pay a lot of attention to bringing the right trading talent, but they don't really think about their support functions. You know, you need to, in order to be able to do asset-backed trading, first you need to measure your risk. So you need to have a proper ETRM set up. You need to have proper transfer pricing, book structure. Um, you have to have right tools that are more agile to kind of get your daily process going. And then after that, maybe there are areas that you can improve from an analytics perspective, and bringing in more advanced AI tools. But really, like, there is no way that you can skip over a lot of those fundamental building blocks. And I think that we see that being a big challenge. Everybody wants to fast track. It's not as easy as that. You go as fast as your organization can handle, and and everybody needs to learn as they go, and it's not always that easy to bring that that learning, make it as quick as possible.